Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make health simple and fun. Today we are going to talk about healthy food swaps, easy changes you can make in your daily meals to stay fit, feel great, and enjoy your favorite foods guilt free. If you think eating healthy means giving up tasty dishes, you are in for a surprise. By the end of this video, you will learn how small swaps can make a big difference in your health and energy. So grab your notepad and let's begin this delicious and healthy journey together. Number 1, white bread, whole grain bread. White bread is made from refined flour which has very few nutrients and can spike your blood sugar levels. Instead, choosing whole grains and whole wheat bread. Whole grains contain more fiber, which helps you feel full for longer and improves digestion. They also provide vitamins and minerals that white bread lacks. This simple switch will help you stay energetic throughout the day and manage your weight better. Number 2, full fat milk, low fat or plant based milk. If you drink a lot of full fat milk, try switching to low fat milk or plant based milk like almond, oat or soy milk. These options are lower in saturated fat but still give the calcium and nutrients your body needs. They are perfect for cereals, smoothies, and even coffee. It's a small change that can reduce your calories intake without losing taste. Number 3, fried snacks, baked or air fried alternatives. Who doesn't love fries or crispy snacks? But deep fried foods are loaded with unhealthy fats. Instead, try baking or air frying your favorite snacks. You'll get the same crunch with much less oil. For example, baked potato wedges, roasted chickpeas, or air fried sweet potatoes make great guilt-free snacks. Number 4, white rice, brown rice or quinoa. White rice is a staple for many, but it's low in fiber. Brown rice, cauliflower rice are healthier options. These alternatives keep you full longer and support better blood sugar control. It is especially good because it's rich in protein and gluten free. Number 5, regular pasta, whole wheat or veggie pasta. Love pasta, don't worry. You can still enjoy it. Just swap your regular pasta with whole wheat or vegetable based pasta made from zucchini, lentils or chickpeas. They are higher in fiber and nutrients and keep you satisfied for hours. You will hardly notice the difference in taste once you add your favorite sauce. Number 6, sugary drinks, infused water or smoothies. Sugary sodas and juices are one of the biggest sources of empty calories. Instead, try infused water with lemon, mint or cucumber slices. You can also make homemade fruit smoothies using fresh fruits and yogurt. This map helps you stay hydrated, reduce sugar intake, and boost your vitamin levels naturally. Number 7, ice cream, Greek yogurt with fruits. Craving smoothies, sweet after dinner? Skip the ice cream tub and go for Greek yogurt with fresh fruits or honey. It's creamy, delicious, and rich in protein. Plus, it satisfies your sweet tooth in a much healthier way. Number 8, fast food burgers, homemade versions. Instead of grabbing fast food, try making burgers at home. Use whole grain buns, lean meat or beans, and lots of fresh veggies. This way you control the ingredients, reduce oil, and add more nutrients. Number 9, salt, herbs, and spices. Too much salt can raise your blood pressure. Try seasoning your meals with the herbs and spices like garlic, turmeric, basil, or lemon juice. They make your blood flavorful and support good health too. And that's it for today's video. Simple food maps that can truly change your health without giving up the flavors you love. Remember, health eating is not about strict rules, it's about smart choices. Start by changing one meal a day, and you will see how your energy and mood improves. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and lifestyle tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.